Hello children, welcome to class 3 English. Today we'll be learning a poem and the poem is Sea Song. Hope you enjoy it.
Now, let's read the poem. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear, and from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised. I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you would find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. Now let's see some of the new words you came across in the poem. Shell, a hard cover of an animal, held to grasp or to grip. Surprised. Oh, doesn't he look surprised? He is wondered. Surprised means wonder. Curly, having curls, as in the shell. Clear, easily heard. Children, now let's answer the questions. Question number 1. Where did the child find the seashell? Can you answer the question? Yes, the answer is the child found the seashell lying on the sand. Let's read it again. The child found the seashell lying on the sand. Question number 2. What did the child do with the shell? Can you guess the answer? The child picked the shell and took it home. We shall repeat. The child picked the shell and took it home. Question number 3. What did the child hear? Can you tell the answer? Yes. The child heard a soft and sweet song. The child heard a soft and sweet song. Children, while reading the poem, we came across some rhyming words. In the first paragraph, sand rhymes with hand. In the second paragraph, ear rhymes with clear. In the third paragraph, true rhymes with two. In the same way, there are some more words that can have rhyming words. Can you find them? Sound, hold, cook, tummy, long, card, rice. Now you have to think and find the rhyming words from the poem. Children, now let's see some of the opposites for the words that you came across in the poem. Lost is the opposite for the word found. Gave is the opposite for the word took. Outside is the opposite for the word inside. Small is the opposite for big. Went is the opposite for came. Now, here's a task for you. Match these words with their opposites. Do it in your notebook.